Alright, so punta na kami sa Avida, sa hotel namin. Alright, see you there. Bye-bye. Alright, so this is our Airbnb room. So it's quite spacious, no? It's a studio type pero spacious siya. Let's get inside. So as we get inside, meron tayong cabinet. Yan, so pwede mo lagyan ng mga dress. Diyan. Alright. So this one is the CR. Okay. Ayan, so may hot and dry cold water, may exhaust fan, right? Ayan, so spacious din yung CR niya, yung toilet and bath. And this is the living area. Meron na siya mga cabinets. Ayan, so meron ding mga appliances na kung gusto mong magluto, pwede kang magluto. Mga ganyan. Right? Yan. So, meron siyang induction cooker. Like that. Yan. So, ito yung kagandahan ng mga Airbnbs kasi unlike sa mga hotels na limited yung pwede mong magamit, dito kahit yung refrigerator is nandyan. Ayan.
It's too small.
So, ito yung kagandahan ng mga condos dito. Even though it's just a studio type na condo, but it's spacious. Right? Yan, mayroon siyang 42-inch na TV. Ayan. Tapos may aircon. May Holy Bible. Alright. And meron siyang, yes. So meron siyang dalawang bed. This one, a queen size bed. And another bed. No? And this is the view outside. Yan, look at that. Yan yung view natin. So we are on the 14th floor pala. So kita yung downtown CDO. Ayan. And the kids are enjoying the place. Yeah, I have to interview Dudoy. Okay, what do you think about this Airbnb unit, Doy?
Good.
Good? Do you like it here?
Me and 5-star.
5-star?
Yeah.
Okay.
And 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Okay. Good job. So, you want to buy this kind of condo in the future?
Yeah.
Really?
And also, I love it.
You love it? Okay, that's nice.
They don't jump here.
How about Ate? Ate, can I interview you about the...
Not yet.
Not
I am
yet.
arranging the bed.
Okay, you're gonna sit one dire.
If you will touch, and I can do
Yeah.
ASM.
So fluffy.
I'm not
So you're
done
gonna
yet.
sleep here. Yes?
And I can also do ASMR here.
ASMR.
Because hear the sound.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Let me see. Let me see the ASMR.
Headphones required.
Headphones required. Okay. So I have a question for you, Doy.
What?
Would you recommend the people to buy a condo here in Avida,
Yeah.
Cagayan de Oro?
Yeah.
Why you recommend it? Because
I rate this hotel like a 5-star.
5-star. Okay, and you like it here?
Yeah.
Okay, good job.
I love it here.
You love it here.
But
Hmm.
which one should I put like this one? With like should I show like the detail like this or with no detail?
it's nice if na detail.
Okay. I'll put this.
Okay.
Hello. What the people get? We're in the first floor. For the first time. For the and I'm back.
Oh. Oh, okay. Tigo, you can swim now. Kung naglalom-lalom na. Kani mo yung wag pang kids, oh. The kids. Come na. Oops. Sige, swim. Terus ako ha.
This condo is thoughtfully designed to ensure that every member of the family can have a great time. Beyond the relaxing pool, there's also a dedicated play area where kids can have fun and enjoy playing with their friends. It's a space that brings families together while offering something special for everyone.
Alright, so ito yung Avida Tower na amenities nila. Mayroong dalawang pool, isa for kids, at saka dun may malalim dun. May for kids, pero sa unahan biglang malalim siya. So, ayan, ito yun. Tapos, katabi ng pool is yung playground. Ayan, ito yun yung playground nila. At saka mayroon din silang playground around that area. Diyan. Ayan. By the way, it's our first time pala na mag-Airbnb in Avida Towers. Ayan. So, ito yung kagandahan ng mga condos. No? Kahit studio type lang siya, pero what you can see is yung mga amenities are there. Tulad dito, may swimming pool, may gym, may playground. And kung pamilya talaga siya, tapos pwede mong gawing Airbnb, daily rental, transient or long term. So, ayan no, ito yung isa sa mga reason why so many people are choosing condos, right? So, again, itong Avida Tower, mag-check ako baka may for sale pa dito no, na mga units, but I think almost complete na talaga siya. When in fact, itong nasa likod ko, ayan. So, may tinatabunan pa siya kasi hindi pa lahat na turnover dito. So, ayan no, under construction pa siya, but almost complete na talaga yung Avida Tower. So, yung isang advantage din ng condo is malapit siya sa mga malls, simbahan, mga hospitals, no? So everything na necessity natin, mga markets and all, malapit siya. Kaya madami na talaga mga tao na nag-i-invest sa mga ganito, no, condos and all. So ayan, if you are a type of person, a working person, or may mga anak ka na nag-aaral malapit sa city, best talaga na kukuha ka ng condo tulad nito. Doy, do you like it here?
The Avida Towers in Cagayan de Oro City is thoughtfully designed to create a welcoming and relaxing atmosphere. It's the kind of place that makes you want to sit back and unwind. What makes it even more special is the stunning sunset that you can enjoy from the area. The building's color palette is easy on the eyes, adding to the sense of calm you feel while spending time there.
Alright, so hindi makukumpleto yung experience natin dito sa Avida if you will not use the pool and go swim with the kids. Alright. So yan, sarap ng tubig. Alright, so kakatapos lang naming maligo. So ito yung background ng ating Avida na swimming pool. So aakyat na ako sa taas kasi nauna na sila. Alright, see you later.
It's only the first week of October, but the Avida Towers are already embracing the Christmas season. I created a time-lapse capturing the view from evening to morning, and the result is absolutely breathtaking. Watching the transition from the glowing city lights at night to the soft hues of dawn was mesmerizing. It's a reminder of how beautiful each moment of the day can be. I truly loved how it turned out.
Alright, so this is day 2 of our activity with my family, and ngayon, since Monday, nag-process ako sa PRC for dislodgement sa broker namin kasi nag-change broker kami. And super amazing yung process ng PRC kasi I was here around exactly 8 AM and ngayon 8:40 pa lang is natapos na yung transaction ko. Tapos siguro kung hindi lang nagkamali yung ID, I mean yung passport size ID ko, mas mabilis pa siguro yung pag-process nila kasi nagpa-picture pa ako ulit. And ayun no, I was so happy that the PRC here in Cagayan de Oro is so fast. Sa mga lahat ng mga magpa-process pala ng IDs nila for PRC, just make sure na complete full name yung ilagay ninyo, and yung middle name is hindi siya dapat middle initial, dapat full talaga siya na full na name sa middle name kasi hindi nila tinatanggap sa ID yung initial lang. Alright, so balik muna ako sa hotel kasi nandun pa yung mga kids and yung wife ko, and later on meron din kaming activity. Alright, see you later.
Whenever we stay at an Airbnb or a hotel, it has always been our personal practice to clean up the space before we leave. This isn't just a routine for us, it's a way to show respect and gratitude for the hospitality we've received. We believe that the space we stay in, even if it's temporary, deserves the same care we'd give to our own home. It's about acknowledging the effort the host or staff put into preparing the place for us and making it easier for them to welcome the next guest. Whether it's making the bed, gathering trash, or tidying up the kitchen, these small gestures reflect our belief in leaving things better than we found them. For us, it's not about obligation but about kindness and mindfulness. By doing this, we feel like we're part of a shared effort to maintain respect for the spaces and people that make travel such a memorable experience. It's a simple act, but one that carries meaning and speaks to how we value shared spaces.
Oh yeah!
Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching our video on Unboxing Real Estate PH. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest videos, featuring more property tours, tips, and insights that can help you find the perfect home or investment. Your support means a lot to us, and we can't wait to share more exciting content with you. See you in the next video.